How many times have you needed to just fix one line in a PDF and ended up downloading some sketchy software that took over your taskbar, installed 3 toolbars you didn't ask for, and still didn't let you edit the actual text? Or you find some free website, upload your document, your contract, your resume, your invoice, and then you're just sitting there wondering, where does this file actually go? Is someone reading it right now? I've been there way too many times. So today I'm testing ZenDocs, a browser-based PDF tool, and I'm going to walk you through everything it can do, what works, what doesn't, and whether it's actually worth your time. So let's just get into it. Okay, so ZenDocs is a web-based document processing platform, meaning no downloads, no installations, nothing to update. You open it in your browser, you do your thing, you download your file. That's the whole pitch. It covers PDF editing, converting, signing, merging, splitting, compressing, pretty much the full document workflow. And as of right now, there's a 7-day trial for $1, which gives you access to everything. Let me show you what it actually looks like in practice. The interface is genuinely clean. There's no onboarding maze, no watch this tutorial before you begin. You land on the homepage and the first thing you see is a big upload box. The process is literally 3 steps. Upload your file, make your changes, download or share. You can drag and drop or browse from your device. Files up to 100 megabytes are supported and your documents are handled over HTTPS, so the connection is encrypted. There's also optional password protection for sensitive files, which is a detail a lot of these tools skip. Okay, so once you upload a PDF, you land in the editor. Let me show you what's in there. The editor has a toolbar at the top and your document in the center. You've got options to add text, edit existing text, add comments, highlight, sign, all from the same view. Text editing is probably what most people come here for. If you've got a typo in a PDF or a date that needs updating or a field you forgot to fill, you can click directly on the text and fix it. No need to go back to the original source file, convert it, re-export it, just fix it here. And then for page management, you can delete pages, reorder them, rotate them, or insert new ones. So if someone sends you a 20-page contract and you only need pages 3 through 7, you can strip everything else out before forwarding it. This one surprised me. ZenDocs has a proper commenting system like sticky notes and inline suggestions. You can tag changes, suggest replacements, add context to specific parts of a document. If you're working on a team, even a small freelance setup where you're going back and forth with a client, this is actually useful. You don't have to send the whole document back with a note that says, see page 4. You leave the note on page 4. You can highlight text in multiple colors and attach notes to those highlights too. It's the kind of review workflow you'd expect from a paid desktop app. So conversion is where ZenDocs really has a lot to offer. Let me just run through the options because there are more than you'd expect. From PDF, you can export to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, JPG, PNG. The other direction, you can convert Word docs, Excel sheets, PowerPoint presentations, and images into PDF. And there's OCR, short for optical character recognition, which means if you've got a scanned document or an image text, ZenDocs can read it and make it an actual searchable, editable text file. That's a huge deal for anyone dealing with old paperwork or scanned contracts. Need to combine multiple PDFs into one? There's a merge tool. Just drag in your files, set the order, merge. You can also merge images, which is handy if you've got a bunch of scanned pages you want to turn into one document. And then compression, which honestly is underrated. PDF files get huge. A 30-page report with graphics can hit 50 megabytes easily. And most email clients start complaining around 25 megabytes. The compress tool brings the size down without destroying the visual quality. It's one of those things you don't think about until you need it, and then you really need it. The sign feature is exactly what you'd expect. You can add a digital signature to any PDF, click where you want it, draw your signature, place it, done. You can also fill in form fields on documents that have them. This is the kind of thing that used to mean printing, signing by hand, scanning it back in, and sending it as a 4 megabyte attachment. With ZenDocs, you skip all of that. Sign it on the browser, download, send. See? I can't believe it's that easy. So here's where we're at. $1 for a 7-day trial gives you full access to everything I just showed you. After that, it's a subscription, which you can cancel at any time from this setting. For someone who only occasionally needs to edit or convert a PDF, the trial alone might be enough to get through a specific job. For anyone who deals with documents regularly, like freelancers, small teams, or admin-heavy roles, it's worth running through the trial with your actual use case to see if it sticks. The overall verdict? ZenDocs is one of the cleaner, more complete browser-based PDF tools I've tested. The editing is genuinely functional, the conversion range is wide, the interface isn't annoying, and the security story is at least honest. If you're tired of downloading sketchy desktop apps or using tools that make you feel like your documents are going somewhere they should not, give this a try. Link in the description to get started. If this was useful, subscribe. I review tools like this regularly, so you don't have to do the trial and error yourself. Drop a comment if you've used ZenDocs before, or if there's another PDF tool you want me to test out. I'll see you in the next one.